Hi, Mom G. Hi, Baby G.
Say hi, Dada.
Hi. Hi, Dada. What's that noise?
You hardly talk to me anymore when I come through the door at the end of the day.
I remember when you couldn't wait to love me, used to hate to leave me. Now after loving me late at night,
When it's good for you, babe, and you're feeling alright,
well, you just roll over and turn out the lights, and you don't bring me flowers anymore.
it used to be so natural to talk about forever. What used to be's don't count anymore. They just lay on the floor till we sweep them away.
Baby, I remember all the things you